Yeah, that's his homie. He's homies with a crane, man. I mean, I don't know what's better than that.
Yeah, I know. Don't yell at me, bro.
God, that one weighs about. Yeah, it has to be 300 pounds.
He's probably bigger than me.
I don't know if y'all can like see the distance, but like he is huge. Like he's not that far away from me, but he is huge.
The smartest of the birds.
African gray parrot. I said it's a pretty smart bird.
Oh no, there he is. Hey guys.
What's up, homie? What is it? Is it a gator?
Snake.
Oh man, I see the bubbles.
He's right there.
Right here.
Oh wow.
Bro, that was another one. It's in a cake. Bailey, look. You want me to push one?
Oh, I like that one.
What? Oh, it's albino garter snake.
Where's the bear? Yo,
Talking about some weight.
he is huge, dude. Holy smokes. That man big as hell.
He saw the babies earlier and today's the daddy, I guess.
Come on, don't be scared. Come on. Come on. It is a snake. Oh.
You're all right.
Oh. Oh. Don't worry, buddy. I'm gonna jump off. Oh.
Junior, look at the toilet.
Hold on. We're gonna look at it. Snake walk. Let's see what else is in here. We gotta get out of here and find mommy. You wanna see the video?
Let me see.
You wanna see it? Look. Who the tag team champion?
Me.
And who else?
You.
Yeah.
And me. I win.
What's over here?
Raccoons.
A raccoon?
Them two are.
Yo, that man. Oh,
trying to eat each
for a
other.
minute I thought he was
Sleep.
floating, y'all. I was gonna say, what the
No,
world?
sleep on the swing thing up there.
Gotcha. I'm the one in. I got this. Ugh.
I'm the captain of this ship.
I spin the. She's here. We're spinning. Oh shoot!
Ring around the roses.
No, this ain't no.
He's flying.
Wait for it. Oh, I'm gonna let you drive, but let me go hit mommy first. Coming for her. Give her the what?
The arrow.
Give her the L. Alright. Crikey, mate. I think I see some gators. Let me see what kind of gators we got over here. So this is the best, the finest crocodiles of all the Georgian lands. Alright, here, if you follow with me, I'll come show this. Come with me, brother. Brethren, everybody, let's go. Let's go. Let's see what we can see from the bridge. Now here we have a very special specimen. This is called the bridge. If you fall, you die. Oh my God! Holy crap.
More than 7.
Yeah, it's way more than 7. Jesus, they've been getting to it, boy. Oh yeah, you already know. Yeah, me too. Oh, we in there. Junior's a champ. I know some adults that won't even do this. Ah! We did it! Look, it's an alligator. Look, he's chilling. He's like, let me out of here. I don't want to be in here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, that boy counting them alligators. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? He ain't scared. Oh. I am.
Is there one right there?
Oh, there's two of them back there.
Where's that?
There's another goat.
Are you Billy Goat Girl? You do the car.
Hold on. I gotta pull up on him. I'm gonna spin the block. Oh, God. Woo, we're going backwards. What you saying, boy? Woo. That boy whoop game ain't proper now. Oh, this way.
You know.
What I got, friend?
You need to know sofa. It's fine. Here you go. He don't like you. Haha. I ran away because of you.
Oh, you better watch your back there, boy. Watch your back there, boy. Shoot, what's your face?
Welcome back, riders.
Look at me.
Riders must be at least 44 feet tall to ride.
Oh, shoot.
Riders between 30 feet tall.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We hit the front of the roller coaster. Hold on. Hold on. I got you, buddy. I got you. Look at it. It looks like one long one.
They're forward them.
There's more than four of them.
Like they're five.
1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2,
5, 6, 7.
3,
Oh, there's another one.
4, 5.
There's 13 of them in there.
What?
Shoot.
What do you
You
mean?
don't see all of them over there in the pond?
Riders, let's try to complete mode. I will let you thank you. Now, please push up on your restrictions exit towards the left gate.
That's fine.
I will commit help you.
Fine.
At any time, don't worry.
We're stuck. We're stuck. Thank you, sir. We see you over there, shouty. Bang, bang. Pilot Junie on the job. See how well he does. Shit. Oh, shit.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Look at Big Papa right there.
7, 8, 9.
No, they're all babies.
I want to know these are tiny.
Ain't none of them close to full grown. They all babies.
That one like it.
Oh, June, this would be a killer picture. Yeah, boy. Oh! Ah! 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 On your butt. Ah. Yep. Oh! He crashed into the wall. Gotcha, man. Who's going first?
No.
Alright, move out of my way. I'll show you how it's done. As you can see, there's gators underneath my feet. If I fall, I die. But as we believe in Jesus and not stingrays, we are good to go. Holy crap! Ah! Oh my Jesus! Jesus. Holy crap. Shoot, I got me a film. Oh no. It's quite easy. Oh look, they're in love. Looks like he was scared. We shall make it across to the other side. Oh, hell.
Hey, Mommy.
Oh, oh.
Mommy.
Gotcha.
Wait, Mommy.
You coming? Gotcha. Well, everybody tear mama up, boy. And just like that, easy as pie for any who dare cross the net to destiny. Uh-oh. Oh, Julie's driving. We in circle. Ah! I don't know what to do. Oh, she got us. Oh, we got to push up on mama. Oh, innocent victim. Hold on, we got to get around. They blocking our way. Oh, oh. We gonna get her. There she is, there she is. Oh. Junior, you got to turn. How'd you get here so fast?
I went around the whole day.
Boy, you fast, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, oh, that shit was foul. We just, oh, we stuck. We get up out of here. Oh. All right, you drive. Oh, boy, you got her on up out of there.
It's lemonade. What is it supposed to taste like? It tastes like lemons.
Oh no. Woo! You won, June. You beat mommy. Give me some.
I'm not doing that.
What did you say to me? I think we can spin it now. I got it. Lazy bums woke up. Hey there, buddy. Oh, he chilling. Boy, I got you, boy. Woo!
You having fun, Junior?
Woo! I got you, boy. The Phoenix Fox. Where he be? Where he be?
Right there in the pool to sleep.
Wow.
You
Oh, I
his
see
big old
him.
ears right there? He's right there.
Oh, look at him. He's a little baby.
That's a full-grown one. That's not a baby. That's
Really?
just how big they are. They're like this big.
All right, let me pick you up. Caught it.
Ah!
Oh, wait!
They could use some WD-40. Oh.
That one looks salty.
Put it right there.
Yo, he chilling. He like, oh, I'm just
Look at this one,
cooling.
though. Why do you got this message? He just, okay. Just to fit.
Yeah, the alligator show's about to start.
Is it?
Yeah.
You wanna go watch it?
Yeah, let's go watch it.
You're not doing that. You can't move it.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
It's funnier than you look.
I was wondering.
I think we went in the birdhouse.
I want the birdhouse to get me.
Where's the sloth?
In that back corner sleeping over there. Over there asleep.
Yo, they stay asleep, lazy bums. But there's not 3 belts.
I'm both face.
There is the day.
Oh, okay.
I'm both face.
Yes.
You said the face. And then you like face.
Oh, damn.
You heard him.
Why I gotta be in last place? That's how you do it.
What?
You did it. I'll put it on YouTube, I promise. You did it. He did it too. Spider-Man and Batman, let's roll. Ye- Okay. Here, you, Junior took the camera. Oh my God. He has his own house. Boy, that man looked like Bowser. He was like, see you later. You gotta look at it. See him?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Click the red button.
Where?
Click the red button. What is this? The sulcata tortoise. Weighing up to 2,000 pounds, these herbivores are the largest mainland tortoises.
200 pounds.
Sulcata tortoise can live up to 100 years old and are native to Africa. Oh, let's sink in on his face. Boy, that boy like 100 years old, boy. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty lit in here. Please stay on walkway. June, do you see that?
He's probably.
I ain't gonna lie, that man is huge.
He gets bigger than that. If I'm not mistaken, he gets bigger.
June.
He's over there running around playing on the snake.
Wow. There's a bunch of birds in here. Junior, look. He's... June, look how big the turtle is.
It's a tortoise.
June, look at how big he is. You gotta come over here, look. I am recording a video. He is hiding. Oh, he said it's nap time.
Stop recording for a second.
What?
I'm about to say something weird.
You about to say something weird to me. Say it. We found the llama sleeping on the job. We found him. We see you back there, boy. It's up there. Oh, this is where it starts.
It's over there. Yeah. It's a funny fox.
Say. Macaw. Macaw.
It's a fallow deer.
Where's the deer?
Those are deer.
Those are deer?
Yeah.
The Alapa Trail. We'll check it out, Anna. More macaws. But they look like lambs.
They don't have.
The fallow deer, native to Asia, fallow deer have a diet on mostly grass and tree leaves, also known as browse. Males have antlers in varying sizes, which are shed annually in April.
June, come on.
What? Akuta Montanas. Oh, I see him.
Or Cotamundee or something called.
It's a Cotamundee.
Cotamundee.
Cotamundee. Boy, he look like a raccoon that fucked the armadillo.
His name is Puna.
We on a nature hike. Crikey, man. If you look over here, we go fishing and we find no fish. Because we feed them to the gators. Puna?
Tuna.
Tuna? Let's go into the birdhouse. Shout out to, I think this is where they got the lemurs. Where they at though? Where's the lemur?
I just saw one.
Where?
I saw one that moved. I saw one that moved.
I don't see the lemur.
I don't see any.
Oh my God. You gonna give him something to eat? I don't think he wants it.
I don't even see it.
It's a burrowing parrot. I guess he's burrowing. That's right.
Probably, yeah. That makes sense, wouldn't it?
Wow.
Where's Junior? Come on.
Junior is in the swamp. Never to be seen again.
You can't keep wandering off.
You wondering, huh? There ain't but a straight line he can go. What is he eating?
The thing that a while in there.
Oh, you dropped that in there? He's eating it? Oh, he is eating it. Ain't that sweet? Good job, buddy. Come on. Hey, what's up, buddy? I heard that. Hey.
Somebody said, "Oh, that what he said."
He was talking.
Parrots do that.
Hey, you want a cracker?
Put it down.
Polly, want a cracker?
I have your hat though.
What did he say, Junior? I heard him say it too.
He said, "Oh, what?" That's what he said.
Sound like I thought he said, "What's handed?"
Guessing he's about 40 years old and he's 14 feet long and more than 1,000 pounds.
Mr. Twister, he over 1,000 pounds.
He says he's 14 feet.
Catch me in the waterfall, dog.
Black and white right there. It's a porcupine. Yes, that's the porcupine.
Oh, he did that.
Oh, it is a porcupine.
You ain't believe it?
Yo, that man chilling. Well, I wouldn't go over there, Joe. He gonna chomp some.
This is Twister.
Yo, that's scary. Go see the what? It's a bear.
This way.
Let's see, June. Woo, it smells skunky around here.
I think he's back there asleep.
Woo, let's get away from there. It stinks.
During the daytime.
Woo. Oh man, steaks and stuff. Yeah, fire.
The rainbow bowl. The rainbow bowl.
So,
We're gonna put you.
they're supposed to be out there.
I think it is.
Meow. I don't see the bear. Meow. The bears are hiding. Well, look, then you can see the other side of the porcupine right here. The porcupine. He is Indian, like I said. The herbivores are native to the Central and Southeast Asia. Indian crested porcupines use their quills as self-defense against predators. They don't shoot their quills, but they do raise them up and backwards. Yo, that man, that's the one. Yo, that's the one that was from that movie with the dog.
We lost a child.
It's a few of them. Jun, where'd he go? Junior.
He's out there.
Oh, he chilling, yo.
It's a turtle.
It's another turtle?
It's a snapping turtle.
Oh, yeah, I used to have one of them, June. Common snapper turtle.
Look, Judy.
These turtles are omnivores that can weigh upwards of 80 pounds. While closely related to alligator snapping turtle, the most notable difference between the two is the shape and smoothness of their shells. Damn, he's chilling.
Look at these colors.
You have to be careful because we have gators that can reach us. We are in the swamp.
I think they just have this part to show you the plants and stuff that live in the swamp. Come.
Them are the plants in the park. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. That's fire. Alligator snapping turtle.
The snapping turtle.
They're carnivores, so they eat meat. Turtles are the largest freshwater turtles in North America. They can live up to 70 years old. Yo, look at him. He's huge, dude.
Yeah, they get bigger than that.
Oh, he's chilling. He just woke up Godzilla. Shout out to the Blue Jays. It's got the wood ducks.
I don't want to call them.
We got owls at our house. Now we have to find the wild. Holy crap, he's huge.
It's a wild boar.
Yo,
Actually,
he's
he's not
freaking
that big. They get bigger.
shitting me, not that big. Look how big he is. Holy shit.
There's two of them.
That's bigger than the one they got at Country's Barbecue. Wild boar originated in Europe and Asia. Wild boars are
600 pounds.
now invasive in North America. These omnivores can range in size from 110 to 600 pounds.
That's a sheep.
He.
I found a naked peacock.
You see a peacock? Where?
A naked one.
Not a naked
A
one.
naked
Not a
peacock?
baby. Yeah. Oh, 3 of them.
I don't know what's supposed to be back behind there, but they got it sectioned off. I don't think that's safe. Might fall in.
Don't do that. That's a crane. It's a different kind of bird.
Oh, that's a crane. Them are like from China.
Where did this say, China? These are from North America. These are from here.
They make them in origami papers.
Don't do that.
Yo, he got your finger, bruh.
But these ones are from here.
Yo, he's literally following you, June. Go give him a pat before we go.
I don't know how to.
2 turtle doves.
What is it?
It's the diamond dove.
baby.
Duck. It's a
They're
baby-
buds.
It's a baby duck.
Not a duck, a dove.
3 turtle doves.
Those are grown-ups.
Them are diamond doves, but you know the song. Baby bud.
Or lady bro. I don't know which one you are, but don't yell at me. Don't do that. North American.
North America, sandhill cranes thrive on omnivores diet. They can have a wingspan of more than 6 feet and weigh up to 14 pounds. Yo, he's following you, June. He won't smoke with you, June.
Follow me.
Literally.
Stop it.
He's into you.